Hey y'all, welcome back to All Things with Tips. So today I am trying this new eyebrow tint. It's called, I believe, Neva, Neva. It's in a dark brown color. I found it at my local beauty supply store. And here is everything that came within the package. It came with everything that you need in order to tint your eyebrows. This is something that I just already had on hand. Here, just wanted to brush my eyebrows in the shape that I wanted them to go. I decided to go ahead and clean up a little. That way I could kind of see my shape as I was adding the color. Alright, and this is after I cleaned them up a little before adding the color. Alright, and then for the mixture, the box says it has 10 drops of the activator, and then I think it was like a centimeter or something of the color. What I did is I just did one part of each, so one part activator to one part of the color, and I mixed that well. I don't know what I was thinking, but I got started on the other eye. I just totally forgot about you guys. But here I'm just adding cheat oil. I would suggest adding like Vaseline or something. But if you don't have that, if you got some silk in hand, go ahead and add that around your eyebrows. And this is just to help prevent it from spreading and getting all over your face. Oh, that's Siri. Asked her to count 10 minutes down. So you just want to leave this on for 5 to 10 minutes. The longer you leave it on, the darker it will get and show up. Just depending on your skin color, you may want to leave it on for up to 10 minutes. I think I did do a little bit longer, just to be on the safe side. So here you just see me adding it. I am just trying to carefully place the color on, as well as get it brushed into the hairs closest to my skin. And then you see me here just kind of trying to fade that front part after it's sat a little bit. That way it won't be too dark in that front part of my eyebrows. But I just tried to get it on my eyebrows as clean as possible. Also tried to add as much as I could without making a huge mess. Alright, and once you're done applying that color to your brows, you want to go ahead and clean it up around the edges, and that is what I'm doing here with the Q-tip. I cleaned it up on the top and the bottom on both brows, and anywhere that I saw where I might have, did too much, I just went in back with the color to apply more color and then make sure that it was cleaned up. So this is after I've cleaned it up, and I'm just letting it sit, waiting for Siri to go ahead and sound me to go ahead and take it off. It did not burn or anything, so I didn't have any problem with that. And while I was waiting, I just decided to go ahead and clean it up some more. I think I needed my straight razor for this. I like to do my eyebrows with my straight razor, and I think it would have got me a little bit more cleaner, especially with the color on. Once it's sat for 10 minutes, 5 to 10 minutes, then you want to take hot water and get it off. And I just ran hot water on these cotton balls, and then I went over with the dry cotton ball afterwards. And then just me cleaning it up here again. Just wanted to make sure I did not have any extra hairs. And guys, thank you so much for coming back to my channel. If you are returning, if you are new to my channel, welcome. Make sure you go ahead and like this video. And if you're not already subscribed, make sure you go ahead and subscribe so you can see more content coming from my channel. Again, thank you so much in advance. Continue watching. So this is after I've cleaned them up, after I've taken the color off. My eyebrows are already pretty full, and they're also dark as well, but as I'm getting older, I can tell they're kind of thinning out, so I could tell a difference. I decided to go in after just to highlight them, just to give that a little bit more precision. I used the LA Pro Girl in an almond. I used that under my brows as well as over my brows to add that highlight under it, just to get it a little bit more precise. Alright guys, and it's already looking amazing to me. I am just happy that I don't have to add any color, any like eyebrow pencil or anything to my eyes to help give it that precision. It's doing it with just the eyebrow tint and that highlight and with that good arch that I did. And it also looks natural. I like for it to be natural but very clean. And you know, just cleaned up and natural looking, and I'm loving how it looks right now. So I think that I will probably use the rest of this, and I am gonna try it on some family members and some friends. So make sure you guys stay tuned, because I want to try the product out, and then I want to try some other products too as well. So make sure you guys stay tuned. Again, if you haven't already, make sure you go ahead and like and hit that subscribe button in order to see more videos. Guys, this is just a side by side. You can see the difference from beginning to end. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys share, like, and subscribe. I'll see you next time. You know what it is. Stay blessed. Peace.